the 2019 Can-Am X3. I've got your hard windshield. I've also got your rear. Trying to install this, but this on the 19, this was part of the rivet. I drilled it out, not a problem. This is what's causing it to make it impossible for the bracket to line up. So as I bring in the water tank, first of all, that's the top one you want me to hit. So it's hitting on that grommet. You can see how far off the rivet holes are. That's not going to work. That's not going to line up. Same with the other side. So it's hitting that. I don't know how you get around that. But I don't know if that's just not on earlier models during your prototyping, but that's the issue.